So in this tutorial we'll see how to write some basic Linux shell program. First, we'll write a shell program to find out the sum of two numbers. So here in this program, first line echo enter two numbers. It will give the prompt enter two numbers. It will, and then read in on this line the it will take one number from the from user, and that will be stored in n1. Then read n2, it will take another number from the user and it will put in the n2. And then next line echo sum of $n1 and $n2 is it will display in this way. Sum of $n1 means it will show the value of n1, and $n2 is value of n2 is within the backcode. Here you see an important thing is that is the backcode. Backcode is only to whatever within the backcode that will be executed. Within backcode expr $n1 and $n2, it will perform the addition operation of $n1 and $n2, and it will print it. If we run this program, then it will show the output in this way. First it will give the prompt enter two numbers, then you put two numbers, suppose 5 and 7, to show you sum of 5 and 7 is equals to 12. In the next program, we'll keep this two number in the command line, and then we'll find out the sum of these two number. In the first example, we have given the two number from the keyboard, and in the next program, in this program, we'll give these two number in the command line, and it will find out the sum of the two number. So here first line, if dollar hash, it will check whether the number it indicates the number of arguments. If the number of arguments not equals to 2, okay, then it will give some prompt how to put this number. Otherwise it will perform the addition operation similar to the previous example. Here one important thing is that dollar, here you see instead of $n1 and $n2, here we have used $1 and $2. $1 is the first argument, it is the first number, $2 is the second argument, it is the second number. If we run this program, then then the sum of the 3, and here you see, so if we do not put these two number in the command line, suppose, then it will show you how to put this number first. That means first you have to put this program name and then two number. The second program is program we have used the case statement here. So first, in the first line again we're checking whether the number of arguments is equals to 3 or not. If it is 3, then it will perform the operation, otherwise it will give the prompt how to put this number as input. So here first you see $2 is the operator, $1 is the first number, $3 is the second number. So here first we are checking case $2 in case statement, case variable in, the syntax is case variable in, and then the pattern, then statement, pattern, statement, and then default case statement will be written as star, and then case will be ended with ESAC. It is the just reverse order of case. So first it will check, so that means here all these are plus is for addition, minus is for subtraction, and one important thing is here we have put small x or capital X for multiplication. In the multiplication here you see an important thing, that is multiplication operator only star is not written here, instead one backslash is used, because multiplication, this star operation has some special meaning. That's why we have used backslash for this wildcat character. So here if we run this program, SCNCULATOR, obviously before this you have to put sh calculator, and then you write two operators, suppose 6 minus 4, and then it will perform this subtraction operation. You can also try for other operator also. In the next example we'll see how to write loop. So to write a while loop, first the loop I is initialized to 5, and then in the while we test the test we are testing whether I is equals to 0 or not. If I is not equals to 0, then we will print the value of I, and then I will be decreased by 1. So again the value of I is checked by using the test statement. If we run this program, then it will be sh loop test. Okay. In the next program we'll try to write a program to reverse a number. First we'll have taken the number as n. Okay, so n is here, also we have given this number in the command line as a command line argument. And first we are checking here also for this command line argument we are checking the number of argument equals to 1 or not. If it is not equals to 1, then it will give the prompt, otherwise it will perform the operation. First we're putting n equals to the $1 is the number, the first argument, then reverse is initialized to 0, and the SD it will, that is the digit, is equals to 0. Then first find the single digit in SD as n mod 10, and then construct the reverse number as reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus SD. So we have followed this, and then decrement the n by 1, and if n is greater than 0, then go to step 3, otherwise go to next step and print the reverse number. So first we have separated the SD by n mod 10. Mod 10 will be written in the shell script as expr $n mod 10. Then the reverse will be equals to reverse into 10 plus SD. So this will be written as expr $reverse. Again the multiplication, it has some special meaning. It is a wildcat character, that's why we have written another backslash here, into 10 plus SD, and n equals to expr $n divided by 10. Okay. And in the while loop we are checking whether n is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then it will perform this operation in the loop, otherwise we will write the reverse number. Let's see this program. Okay, as we have not put this number in the command line, then let's say it will give the prompt. Okay, if we put this number 6 and suppose 5, then it will print 576. Okay, this is the end of this lecture.